Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. In this video, let us look at how Jupiter's transit will be for Leo or Simha and Virgo or Kanya Rashi natives. So Jupiter will be transiting to Capricorn starting 20th of November 2020 and will stay in Capricorn till 20th November 2021. In between, in April, he is going to transit to Aquarius in his Atichara and will come back in September. In the meantime, he will also get a retrograde, so because of which there will be some transitions in the results that you can expect. Okay, so this is the basis. Jupiter's transit is considered benefic for many places, and for many places it is considered malefic. So let's look at how it will be for Leo or Simha Rashi people. Jupiter is your 5th and 8th lord, and he will be transiting in the 6th house, a Triksthana. 5 is considered very favorable. Now 6 brings in some challenges. This is considered not to be a favorable transit at all. You can expect some ups and downs in your life. You may have to put in more efforts to finish even the smaller tasks. You may be able to, one good thing is you may be able to repay some debts which you have taken in the past. Okay, health is definitely going to get disturbed. You will have one problem or the other throughout the year, so take care about it. Children may also trouble you. You can expect some difference of opinion with your spouse. There will be moments where you may end up arguing with your spouse, so which may lead a very bad test. So you have to be careful. For students, if I have to talk, it will be a testing time. You need to put extra efforts to complete even simpler tasks. Okay, so overall, if I have to talk about the transit of Jupiter for Leo, it's slightly challenging. So all what you need to do is you need to have that patience, use that knowledge, be courageous, and move forward with a positive attitude. There are some remedies which you can perform to get better results. Perform a Rudrabhisheka to Lord Shiva on a Thursday. It is going to be very beneficial for you. Visit a Guru's temple on a Thursday and seek Guru's blessings. Help the students, okay? Fund their education, pay their fees, or give them books. Or you can also give religious texts to certain institutions. Could be temples, you can distribute certain religious texts. That is also going to enhance your Guru's positivity. Okay, Guru is is transiting in a challenging position, so you have to pacify Guru or Jupiter. So do this. And then if you want to donate few more things, donate articles related to Jupiter. They are yellow clothes, yellow sweets, yellow dal, okay, ghee, saffron, turmeric, bananas. These kind of things you can distribute on or donate to a temple on a Thursday. So that will enhance your what you can say transit period of Jupiter. You will get some positivity and you may be able to solve some of the problems that crop up during this period. So this was for Leo. Now let us look at how it will be for how the Jupiter's transit will be for Virgo or Kanya Rashi people. Jupiter, being your 4th and 7th lord, will be transiting in the 5th house, okay, along with the 5th lord. So that is something which is very auspicious. This will be a favorable transit or a Shubha Gochara for you. It is favorable for positivity. You will have more positivity coming into your life. This will increase your confidence. Okay, then your decision power will be high. You will be able to take quick decisions and move forward. Your quest for knowledge will rise, and then you will be able to learn something new. 5th house also talks about intelligence. You will be able to take certain intelligent decisions. Children will bring happiness in your life. Okay, 5th house is auspicious for that. It indicates good dhanalabha, that means your fortune may rise. You will have good financial gains. If you have been suffering, the 4th transit was bad for you. Now is the time where opportunities open up. So with open arms, welcome these opportunities. There is a possibility that you will start earning through various sources. Okay, different sources of income may open up. Overall, if I have to talk for Virgo or Kanya Rashi, this transit is going to bring lot of positivity. So make the best use of it. There are certain remedies which you can follow to make this even a better one. Chant a Guru mantra. Okay, or you can visit a Guru's temple on every Thursday and seek his blessings. Feeding the cows with jaggery and Bengal gram on Thursdays is definitely going to bring in lot of positivity into your life, and it will enhance the results which are already positive. Okay, so keep doing this. One more general remedy is you have to keep honoring your gurus and elders in the family. So that is also going to bring in that positivity. So keep doing the remedies, have that patience, and make that best use of the positive transit. This is for Virgo. And for Simha Rashi, I would say pray more to Lord Jupiter to give some strength to pass through this period smoothly. So I wish you all the best. Namaskar.